In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Tinkercad project public so other people can view it and even use the copy and tinker option. This is a super useful trick if you want to share your 3D design with classmates, friends, teachers, or anyone else without keeping it locked to your private account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Tinkercad account and head to your dashboard. If you're already inside a design, don't worry, you can still get there easily. Just click the Tinkercad logo in the top left corner. That colorful logo will take you back to the main dashboard where all of your designs are displayed. Now find the project you want to make public. On the design thumbnail, move your mouse over the project and look for the Options icon, which is the gear symbol in the top right corner of the thumbnail. Click that gear to open the settings menu for that design. From the drop-down menu, click Properties. This will open the Project Properties page where you can control things like the name, description, and privacy settings. This is the area you need to change if you want other people to access your project. Next, look for the Privacy setting. By default, your project may be set to private. Click the setting and change it from private to public. This is the key step that makes your design visible to others. Once it is public, other people will be able to open the design and view your work. After that, scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Don't skip this part because your update won't apply until you save it. Once you save, Tinkercad will update the project permissions and make it public. Now let's talk about how to get the public link. Go back to your dashboard and click on the image or title of the project you just made public. This opens the project detail page. From here, you can either scroll down to find the link or simply copy the URL from the browser's address bar. Both methods will give you the shareable link you need. When someone opens that link, they'll be able to see your 3D model, and if Tinkercad allows it for that design, they'll also see a copy and tinker button. That means they can duplicate your project and start editing their own version, which is perfect for sharing templates, class projects, or creative inspiration. If you ever want to double-check that the project is public, just return to the Properties page and confirm that the privacy setting is still on public. And if you want to stop sharing later, you can always go back and switch it back to private. So that's how to make a Tinkercad project public and share it with others the right way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Tinkercad tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.